Hello kids, this is Faizan Hussain and welcome back to class. We were studying tissues class 9 biology. We were on the loose connective tissue, our type of you can say connective tissue. In the loose connective tissue, from the name it is clear, loose mean to say here very few fibers are present and no matrix is there. So loose connective tissues are of you can say two types. One is areolar tissue and second is adipose tissue. So first of all we are going to study about areolar tissue. What are areolar tissue? You can say these are most basic and widely distributed connective tissue in which fibers are loosely arranged in the matrix, and its matrix is also jelly-like. Its matrix is jelly-like. You can see there are enough empty spaces. What are there? Enough empty spaces are present, and that empty spaces are of you can say matrix, and loosely arranged fibers are present. Fibers are few which are loosely arranged in a jelly-like matrix. Here matrix is jelly-like. So here the few fibers are arranged in jelly-like matrix. That's why we call it areolar tissue. Actually here it is most abundant. Why? Because it connects, like you can say it connects internal organs like skin to muscles, and internal organs are also there. It fills the spaces of internal organs. So here it is most abundant and contains four types of cells we are going to study, and there are abundant of blood vessels in it. Abundant blood vessels are present in areolar tissue. Now we are going to study what are the four types of cell. It contains four types of cells and three types of fiber. So what are those four cells? First are fibroblasts or fibrocytes. These secretes fibers. ये fiber secretes करती हैं. So they are named as fibroblasts and fibrocytes. Their function is to secrete fibers. Next is histocytes. These are amoeboid histocytes. They do not have a fixed shape, or you can say phagocytes. They engulf the foreign substance which enter into the body and protect us from that foreign antigen. Next is mast cell. Mast cell, you can see these secrete matrix and heparin, and these are associated with allergic reactions. So these are mast cells. Next is lymphoid cells. Lymphoid cells, these are you can say related to or associated with immunity of the body. So help in immunity. Next, what are the three types of fibers which are present? So the three types of fibers are white collagen fiber. White collagen fibers are present here. These are the collagen fibers which helps in attachment. Next is yellow elastin fiber. It helps in elasticity. It develops the elasticity. And next is reticular fibers. These are non-elastic fibers. And where are they located? The main question is where are they located? We have to look. They are located below the skin. They attach skin with the you can say muscles and all. Next, or fill the empty spaces, kidney, testes, blood vessels around the muscle bundles. So here is the location where are they present: below the skin, kidney, testes, blood vessels around the muscle bundles. Got it? Now we have to study their function. We have already discussed there. Now once again we are going to discuss what is their function. Binding tissue. It is binding tissue. I told you it binds the skin. Binding tissue mean to say it binds something to another. It binds skin to the muscles and other body part. Repair after injury. It helps in repair. If you got any injury, it helps in repairing it or healing, you can say. Next is histocyte. protection against infection. Phagocyte or histiocyte, I told you, they engulf the foreign antigen or foreign, you can say, substance, and protector against, you can say, any kind of infection. Next, mast cell. Mast cell, you can say, these are associated with allergic reaction. These cells are associated with allergic reaction. And now we are going to study about another type of connective tissue. Now our next topic is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is another type of loose connective tissue. Here are also fibers are few in number and matrix is more, you can say. So that's why it is also a loose connective tissue. What is the basic function of, you can say, adipose tissue? The function of adipose tissue is to store fat. To store fat, that's why it is also called fat storing tissue. Here we can say the cells. The cells are large in size and oval in shape. Oval in shape and large in size. Why they are oval in shape and large in size? Because of, you can say, fat globules present in it. There are two types of fat globules. One is white adipose tissue and another is brown adipose tissue. White is a single large cell which is present, and brown fat globules are, you can say, these are tiny and numerous in number. Next you can see cells. Cells are called, these cells are known as here adipocytes. These are known as adipocytes. They store fats, that's why they are known as adipocytes. What is the function of fat? The function of fat is to provide energy. The fat which is stored beneath the skin, you can say, is utilized by the cells to provide energy whenever it is needed. And when extra energy is there, so it is stored in the form of fat. Got it? Next, it contains, as you can say, alveolar tissue. It contains fibroblasts, the fiber producing cells. Next is macrophage. These are related to immunity. Next, collagen and elastin fibers. Collagen fibers helps in attachment and elastin fibers were related to elasticity of the tissue. Got it? Now, basically, where are they present? Their location. We are going to talk about their location. Where are they present? Generally, they are present, you can say, below the skin or beneath the skin, you can say. Have you ever noticed that children or you can say females or women are more beautiful than the men? Why is it so? Because a thick layer of adipose tissue is present beneath their skin. That's why they are more beautiful. And you can see that in the winter times also, the girls wear the short dresses and they do not feel much, you can say, cold. It is all due to this tissue, this adipose tissue. It acts as insulator also. That's why they do not feel much cold in comparison to men. Next, it is also present between internal organs, among blood vessels, kidney, below eyeball, yellow bone marrow, and etc. etc. Next, we are going to study what is its main function. Main function is, you can say, storage. Storage of fat. Fat which is used in utilizing or providing the energy. Next, it acts as insulator. Insulator from the, you can say, cold. Like polar bear. Polar bear is having a thick layer of adipose tissue which protect it from the extreme cold condition. So it acts as an insulator also. Next is, you can see, body contours. It provides the shape to the body. It helps in providing the proper shape to the body. And the last function we can say is, you can say, shock absorber. Shock absorber, it protects the internal organ, like you can say heart beating from any kind of shock. They are delicate organs and it protects them from any kind of shock. So